Hi, I'm Aaron with North Central Utility, and it is camping season. And at North Central Utility, we have you covered. This camper came in with a tire wear issue. We were going to check the alignment on it and check for any worn parts. We hung our cradles on it and our alignment equipment, and we found out that the axle was actually bent. It needs to be straightened. So as you can see, we hung up our straightening equipment to get the axle back into spec. And we'll follow over here to the computer. And Wally, if you wouldn't mind going ahead and bending what you got to bend. Or straightening. If you follow these numbers right here, this is actually going to be him moving the axle as we speak. And our lasers pick all that up. So what'll happen is he'll put that back to the factory specs so the tires will stop wearing on this trailer. This customer can keep hauling all summer long and visit all the camping sites he wants to visit without worrying about tearing up a set of tires every time he goes.